Today we visited Luciano's shop. I wanted to see progress on his FZ1000 that he got for $500. And this was about 2 weeks after he had actually bought the bike, and he already had it painted, so I was pretty impressed. Now, I had my MT-09, and I was still doing break-in miles, so I wanted to have a nice casual ride. I didn't want to get into any MotoGP stuff while the bike was new. And I hadn't done any of the work on the bike. I was still trying to figure out what modifications I wanted to make, what parts I wanted to polish. I kept taking pictures of it. I kept, in my mind, I thought of the day I bought it new and looked at it and all the things I wanted to do to customize it. And it was just an unlimited and overwhelming thing. And it took me about 2 years of working on it constantly and polishing a lot of the parts. And every part of it was just a little adventure. But this day turned out to be a lot of fun. And it's always fun hanging out with Luciano. Starting off today with 837. Then we're off to meet Luciano. He said he has his the bike he's working on. He did some work on it. He wants to show it to me, and then we're going to head out for a cup of coffee. On the way to Luciano's, we always pass this church with a nice message. Now look, I want to show you what the real professional motorcycles of the world have. Watch this.
You grow breasts?
And I got breasts, right. Watch this. Da-da-da-da.
Okay. Who made that?
My son gave it to me for my birthday.
Oh,
It came late because of the post office.
The other day,
Yeah.
shirt made this for.
No, it's you buy it like that.
Oh, you buy it like that. That's
It's
great.
Yeah. Luciano did a great job on this restoration. Today it's going to be Ride the Blue Bikes Day, but I'm still in break-in miles. How many miles you got on this? 15,000? 14?
Something like that.
I'm telling you. I love blue bikes. I love this color blue. Every time we get together, we always have something fun to do. It's all painted. Wow, it came out great.
Yeah, I got the other parts. Outside on the deck.
And what else did you do to it so far?
Oh, I painted the front wheel.
You got the wheel painted? Okay, cool.
I touched with my mind.
Yeah, well, you know, you're clumsy. What the hell you gonna do?
I did the brakes, the forks.
It looks good.
I paint the forks. And I'm doing a lot of work on this.
Now, you still got the fairing, right?
I got to take a brand new
Oh, you got a brand new
It
one?
was black paint.
Oh, so you just...
I had to sand it, and I was...
Oh, poor baby's got to sand the parts. Oh.
Feeling so bad.
Oh, there's my baby right there. Oh, boy, put it right in my garage. We'll make some room for that. And my favorite one. Oh, my God, my favorite one here. My best track bike ever. Wow. Let's hear it. Oh, nice. Nice and quiet. How many miles? 42,000?
42,000.
What kind of little muffle was that? Yoshimura?
No, that's loose.
Oh, but it sounds nice and quiet.
That's a Chinese...
Yeah, Chinese aquapovic, yeah. You need a bigger tail light, I think.
Yeah.
Well, what is that, for a spaceship? Wow! I may never run into you when you hit the brake. Yeah, that looks good. The instruments cleaned up nice. Wow. Yeah, that came out good.
Yeah.
You got the fake Chinese gas cap on it there? What is a yellow light for? Is that for a gas? Oh, you're out of gas. Yeah. Yeah, looks good.
Sounds good too.
Yeah. Sounds great. Not good, great.
I got a windshield coming. I may be ready to ride a bike next week. I'm not kidding.
You got the Motor Guzzi plate that fits all bikes? What, he's laughing. Police around the country are going to check this out.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the blinkers and a windshield.
Oh, okay. You getting those little blinkers that nobody can see when you want to turn?
I got a pair.
Yeah, I see.
They did have another pair, so.
Okay. And the motor cleaned up nice too. When I was here the first day.
The motor's not done yet. I have to clean it.
No, I'm saying it just didn't look clean, like you didn't clean it yet.
I may paint this frame here because it looks pretty bad.
Yeah, you could do that.
Score.
I'm surprised this has a tube frame. I'm surprised this is an 02?
Yeah.
What year? 02? Oh.
2002.
Wow. That's gonna be a nice bike.
These are vent pipes. I don't know where they are from. They bought the service manual. They don't tell me anything.
They don't tell you. You bought the manual, right?
Yeah.
Oh man. When we did track days and swap bikes, this was one of my favorites. I could even smell the paint drying. Ooh, that's gonna look nice.
Yeah.
You're not gonna put any stickers on it? Yamaha, what is it? What goes on the fairing? FZ? What?
I'm not gonna do that.
None of that?
No. I want to be anonymous.
You want to be anonymous. So put Motor Guzzi on there. Then that Motor Guzzi plate you have, nobody will know.
I paid this $217.
Wow.
I couldn't find a used one.
Wow, that's brand new though. That's
Brand
not
new.
no bondo at all.
No. Brand new.
Wow, it's going to be a nice bike when you're done with it.
Yeah. Come on, nice.
That's a Yamaha. How bad can it be? Yeah, that's and you got a little windshield coming for it?
Yeah.
Looks like a nice little pointy windshield like the R1 has.
Yeah, it's very short.
Yeah. Very cool.
And, the tail section I'm gonna put it on tomorrow. And be back will be there next week.
Next week we'll be riding it. Well, if you do, I'll ride my R1 so we could duke it out.
Yeah.
This was a $500 bike and he did a really nice job on it. So we're gonna head up to Warwick, have a cup of coffee, see if any other bikers are up there. Seemed like it was a biker friendly place, that's for sure, right on 94th. Okay, so it is Blue Bike Day after all. So Luciano decided he wants to come here for coffee, but I don't think they're going to have coffee yet. It's too early. Last time it was 11 o'clock. They didn't have any coffee. Yay. So we're taking this place off the list because they don't want to serve us. They said it's too early for coffee. How can it be too early? No wonder they're not making any money. The cows are starving. So we're going to head out to our other little haunt, which is right up 94 also. Twice in a row we did the same thing. And we can't get coffee here.
Otherwise, you gotta probably snow next week.
We're not going to be alive next week. We're old. We can't find the fountain of youth anywhere up here. Oh, we finally found a place that has a cup of coffee in the morning and shade. We go sit in the shade and oogle the bikes.
It's the only coffee shop in the country.
Doesn't it? They don't want to serve us. We must be Harley riders or something. So here we are like two fat cats on the Riviera. The yachts are going by. And we're sitting there. We finally found a place in New York that'll sell us a cup of coffee. I don't know, just the way you guys look, you look dangerous.
They don't like us.
They don't like us. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they found out we hang out with Jose once in a while.
We have 50 cents for the coffee.
50 cents?
50 cents.
Oh my God. No wonder I can't afford a new bike.
That's why they want to give it to us.
So Luciano and I are here sitting having coffee and the radar detector goes off. Now it's not even facing the road, is it? It's facing completely away from the road, right? And the thing went beep, 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 beep. And what was coming down the road? A state police car.
Yeah.
And just when Luciano wanted to do a wheelie too. I love that radar detector. Oh my God, that thing saves my life. You got coffee ready? Beautiful. Luciano's in fine form today. All right, I'll be right in. Let me just put the bike away. So I wanted to see how we're doing with our break-in thing. I think we got one more ride left. 9:36, we'll finish that off tomorrow for sure. And she will be, within the next ride, she'll be broken in and ready to go. And we'll have to start fooling with the suspension. It's still hard for me to describe just how much I like this bike. I know I sound like a broken record sometimes. Maybe I am. But even Luciano and I, well, today we have. So looking back, the evolution of the MT-09 from the day I got it and had all the flat white parts and that tail light down on the back wheel and unpolished parts, unpolished rims. It took about 2 years for me to get it the way I wanted it, and the biggest thing was the windshield and some of the carbon fiber parts from Vlad, and it was a labor of love. All the paint work. It's $300 worth of blue paint on that bike. Oh, and the scoops and the John Pothier graphics and everything. This just was, and then the biggest thing of all, the wheels. But as the bike sits now, every minute I spent on it, so worthwhile. And every visit I've ever had with Luciano has always been just so much fun. No matter what we do, we always have a good time. And thanks so much for watching.